Start. You can start. Now, where you are last time, which chapter you are in?
Quadratic equation.
Yes, once again you can revise the equation part. Okay, these are quadratic equations. Revision once again. Screen is visible to you all? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, okay. The definition of a quadratic equation in mathematics, a quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the second degree. The general form of quadratic equation is where x represent a variable and r an unknown a and b are constant with a is not equal to 0. The constants, the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The name quadratic comes from the quad, meaning square, because the variable gets squared. That's why quadratic comes from squad, meaning square. It is also an equation of degree 2. It is also called an equation of degree 2. Okay. And example for the quadratic equation is 5x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Where x is not equal to 0, yx is not equal to 0 means it becomes a linear equation. That's why degree 2 compulsory. That's why x is not equal to 0. Okay. And real number a is called a root of the quadratic equation. If a is not equal to 0, then if you substitute alpha is the root of the quadratic equation, then x equal to alpha satisfies the equation. So x equal to alpha is a solution of the quadratic equation. Roots of the equation means the value substitute in that equation, then it satisfies, means you'll get equal to 0. Then x equal to alpha is a solution of the quadratic equation. Solution or roots of the quadratic equation. Yes. Okay, more examples of quadratic equations. 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. In this, a equal to 2. And here, okay, in this one, it's a little more tricky where a is, nothing is there, that's why a equal to 1. And usually you can write as 1x square, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to 0. Down c equal to c not there. So c equal to 0. In the above, a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to 3. But in the next equation, x square coefficient, nothing is there. That means 1x square, a equal to 1, and b equal to minus 3. C is not there. So c is equal to 0. Okay, next step.
Sir, Venkatesh won't join, sir.
Okay, let him join. So why? Why? What happened?
He's out of station, sir.
Okay, so far we have seen the standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But sometimes a quadratic equation does not look like that. Here some examples are different. You see, x square equal to 3x minus 1. Then you can write in standard form. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. That is a standard form. Then a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 1. Next, 2 of w square minus 2w equal to 5. Then you have to simplify the equation to bring into the standard form. 2w square minus 4w minus 5 equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 5. And next one is z of z minus 1 equal to 3. So z of z minus 1 into 3 means z into z gets square minus z minus 3 equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 3. Here 5 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square equal to 0. If you multiply by x square, then 5x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0, a is equal to 5, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 1. First you have to bring into the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Next. How to solve it? There are three ways to find the solutions. We can factor the quadratic, find what is the multiply to make the quadratic equation. We can complete the square, but this year I'm telling na, for you, subtopics are removed in quadratic equation. They removed completing square method. Only we have two methods this year only. Solving by factor method and solving by quadratic formula only. For you, completing square method not there, which are difficult method, they are removed. So this completing square method this year for you not there. Will not get completing square method. Only we have two methods, factor method and quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Thus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two roots, alpha and beta, given by alpha equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, beta equal to minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Next. I will revise once again. We are revising. Now we know the b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. The expression b square minus 4ac in the formula is called discriminant, D, because it can be discriminate between the positive types of answers. It can be denoted by capital D. When b square minus 4ac D is positive, you can get two real solutions. When it is 0, you get just one real solution, but both answers are the same. So roots are real and equal. When it is negative, you can get two complex solutions, though they are imaginary roots. That's why you get complex solutions. So those we cannot solve because we know up to real numbers only. We don't know about the complex numbers. That's why we cannot solve when b square minus 4ac is negative. Okay. And now the conditions they gave down, nature of roots. If d is greater than 0, real and unequal. Next, d equal to 0 means real and equal. D less than 0 means no real roots exist. Okay, next. Using the quadratic formula, how to solve a quadratic equation? Already we know. Just once again, you see, just put the values of ABC in the quadratic formula and do the calculation part. The equation is 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. The coefficients are a equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to 1. The quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x equal to b means 6 minus 6 plus or minus root b square 6 square minus 4 into a value 5, c value 1 by 2a, 2 into 5. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 36, 6 36 minus 20 by 10. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 16 means value is root 16 means 4. Hence, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 4 by 10. That means minus 6 plus 4 by 10, minus 6 minus 4 by 10. Minus 6 plus 4 by 10 means minus 2 by 10, 1 by 5 or minus 1. The roots are for this equation 1 by 4, 1 by 5 or minus 10. Minus 1 by 5 or minus 1. Minus 1 by 5 or minus 1. Okay. X equal to minus 1 by 5 means 0.2. X equal to minus 1. If you want to check, you can get equal to 0. Both answers you verified. You put minus 0.2 whole square. Because minus 1 by 5 got, no, that's why. 0.2, you got 0. You substitute minus 1, we got 0. Like that, we can check your answers. Okay. And next step. To factor or factorize the quadratic formula to find What is to multiply to get the quadratic equation is called factorizing, because you have to find the factors. A factor something by multiply. Example, x square plus 3x minus 4. The answer is x plus 4 of x minus 1. Let us try how to get it. Here, factors of minus 4 means 4 ones are 4, but you have to get plus 3 na. That's why you can keep plus 4 minus 1, plus 4 minus 1. Then x square plus 4x minus x minus 1. Then if you take x common, x of x plus 4, then if you take minus 1 common, x plus 4, then x plus 4 of x minus 1. These are the factors you are getting. Okay. Examples of factors. To solve the factorizing, set the equation equal to 0. Factor the factors be linear expressions. Set the linear factors to equal to 0. Solve both the equations. Okay, like this means you can take common and you will get it. X square plus 3x means x you are getting common. X of x plus 3 means x equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 0 you can't say. X equal to 0 there is no quadratic equation. That's why we can take only x equal to minus 3. Okay. And solving general quadratic equation by completes, this method not there, so no need to learn for you. And now, see, for you, the paper pattern also changed this year. CBSE Class 10 Maths paper will contain 40 questions divided into 4 sections. One is object type, 1 to 20 questions, section A, 1 to 20 questions, 1 mark. Section B, very short answers, 21 to 26. 6 questions will be there, each one 2 marks, 6 to 12 marks. Section C, short answer type means 3 marks questions, 27 to 34. There also 3 marks, 27 to 34 means there also 8 questions will be 4 plus 3, 8 questions will be there at the 24. And section D, long answer type, 35 to 40 means 6 questions will be there. 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 24, 48. 48 plus 60. 60 plus 20, 80 marks. The paper pattern, we have 40 questions overall. Okay, 4 sections. Section A, object type 1 mark, 20 questions. Section B, 2 marks, 6 questions. Section C, 3 marks, 8 questions. Section D, 4 marks, 6 questions. And in object type questions, multiple choice questions will be there 10, fill in the blanks will be there 5, and very short answer type 1 mark type questions will be there 5. More number of internal choice will be there. The increase about 33% internal choice in questions implemented from last year. Paper will be remain effective for this year's board exam too. So students will have more number of choices to answer the questions, which is better among the given options. Internal choice will be given in section A. There are 2 questions, means in short answer type MCQs are anywhere out of 20 bits, 2 questions will give internal choice. In section B again 2 questions. In section C also 3 questions choice, internal choice. In section D also we have 3 questions internal choice. So total you will get extra questions, 10 questions you will get extra. But internal choice only A or B, A question or B question only. Also check CBSE 10th new exam pattern for other subjects also it will be there. Okay, so this is the exam pattern, Amma. And next the blueprint will be there for you. CBSE blueprint for class 10th standard max question paper 2020. For standard students, 1 pattern. For basic students, 1 pattern. See in the blueprint, there are First one, remembering part, 6 questions, 2 marks, total 20 marks for remembering. Means exhibit memory, for testing your memory, facts, basic concepts. On the basis, they give 20 marks. For understanding, means interpretation, giving description, and stating main ideas. For them, 23 marks. Remembering 20 marks, understanding 23 marks, and applying means solving problems in new situations, acquiring knowledge. These all will come 19 marks. And analyzing means examine the basic information, evidences, generalization, evaluating. These are all higher order level, amma. This higher order level for you nearly 46 marks. This one, analyzing 22 marks and applying also 24 plus 22, 48 marks. 48 marks for you, higher order thinking level questions, creating questions, completing information together, different way, combination of elements, new pattern, proposing alternate solutions. So these are all the 48 marks for you. These applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating for you more. For basic level, it will be less. See, once see the basic level. See, in basic level, understanding 35 marks, remembering 40 marks, 75 marks there only. Remembering, understanding means basic concept, just there are only 75 marks. And applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating only 25 marks. Okay, so that's why out of 80, 20 marks only for them. Difficult. For you, 48 marks, difficult level. There is a difference between for standard and basic, but still this year we have a very good result. Okay, 12 plus 18, 20 marks for basic level, difficulty level. For you, 48 marks. There is a difference in the blueprint. I want to know the difference between the basic level and standard level. Standard level, they have 48 marks, and basic level, higher order thinking levels, 20 marks only. Okay, this is a blueprint for standard level and higher level. Once to know the question paper format in detail, you can check the below latest sample papers released by the CBSE board exam 2020. CBSE 10th standard max sample paper 2020, basic sample paper 20, and now the weightage by each chapter is. Number system means real numbers, 6 marks. First chapter, 6 marks. And algebra means 20 marks means. Algebra means we have all. Algebra means polynomials, linear equation in 2 variables, and quadratic equations, and arithmetic progression. These 4 chapters will come under algebra, 20 marks. Each chapter 5 marks nearly. Each chapter nearly 5 marks. And coordinate geometry, 6 marks. Geometry means we have 3 chapters geometry: constructions, circles, and triangles. These 3, in these 3, we have 15 marks. Each one 5 marks. In construction only we have one question for 3 marks or 4 marks. Remaining 6. We can 6 plus 6 plus 2. 6 marks in triangles, 6 marks in circles, and 3 marks in construction. Okay. Next, trigonometry, 12 marks. In trigonometry also we have 2 chapters. One is basic trigonometry, application trigonometry, and heights and distance, application of trigonometry. Okay, 2 are there, both 12 marks, 6 plus 6. And mensuration we have 10 marks. Mensuration means again 2 chapters. Areas related to circles and volumes and surface areas. There are 10 marks. Statistics and probability, 11 marks. Statistics and probability. Probability we have only one question, either 4 marks or 3 marks, or 3 marks or 1 mark. Remaining 7 marks you'll get in statistics. So total the marks will be 80 marks. This is the weightage of the chapter. This year also for you, this year same weightage only will apply. Okay. That is a new exam pattern and weightage we have discussed. Okay, so with that we have completed the previous in this quadratic equation. Only for you, completing square method not there. That topic will not be there. That type of questions you will not get. Remaining two methods are there and word problems are there. Everything will be there in quadratic equation. Understand, Amma, all? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
I understand this pattern, everything, and in
Yes, sir.
then only completing square method not there. Remaining topics as it is. Like that, in each chapter, they remove subtopics. We have all chapters. So whatever the subtopics are removed, that already I kept in a group, and this also I'll keep in the group, this exam pattern and blueprint, everything. Okay. Okay, any doubts regarding what equation, Sama? Question paper also, question paper pattern also we told. Understand a question paper pattern? Still we have only 10 minutes time. Okay, any doubts? Okay. And tomorrow onwards we'll start arithmetic progression, 5th chapter, arithmetic progression. Okay. You have completed 4 chapters successfully. I think you have completed the classes without any pending 4 chapters. I send everything now. I send everything for you for completing quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
I think you have completed, I think, everyone. Quadratic equation completed, Amma, quadratic equation. Anyone kept pending? Akifa?
Completed, sir.
Oh, very good. That's why I have to ask. Okay. And once the attendance, only 19 participants. $19 means 2 are there here, 2 are there here, means 23. Manikanda, those 2 are there, Karthik Vinita 2 are there. So 23 only out of 30. Samasekara, Santosh, Rahul, Nitish, Mohan Kumar, Meghana, Manasa, Mahit, Lokesh, Litish Reddy, Kaushik. This film, Manoj not joined. Manoj, Karthik Vinita, Sen, Supriya, Akifa, Yurtika, Bayasheda, Hussain. So I think Manoj not joined. Manoj. What happened to Manoj? We don't know. We have to ask. Sreshta also. Sreshta also not joined. Supriya, Akifa. Sreshta is also not joined. Okay. Do regularly. Others also should. Means 23 only today. 20, 19, 18 I am. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2, 20 exactly. 10 members shortage today. First day, na, you'll see. Oh, 10 members, shortage of 10 members. Okay. Okay, then. Any doubts, Amma, regarding this one? And I will already kept
No, sir.
syllabus. I kept, you have seen in real numbers also. In real numbers also, we have that Euclid's division lemma not there. Euclid's division lemma not there. Long division method, HCF you are doing now. HCF by long division, continued division method. That is not there. Only fundamental theorem of arithmetic, prime factorization method only there. In first chapter, that only deleted. Okay. Euclid division lemma not there. Long division method not there. And in second chapter, we have, there is no divisions. Polynomial divisions not there. Long division method divisions there na. The divisions not there in polynomials. And in linear equation, 2 variables. Linear equation, 2 variables. What is not there? Cross multiplication method not there. Only cross multiplication method not there, Amma. So in 3 chapters, in first chapter, Euclid's division lemma not there. HCF by continued division method, that is not there. By fundamental theorem of arithmetic is there. In second chapter, there is no long divisions. Division algorithm for polynomials not there. Division algorithm for polynomials. Polynomials division not there because you learned in previous classes. That's why they not given for this serial number. The deleted syllabus for only for you. Okay. In linear equation, two variables, cross multiplication method not there. Other two methods are there. Substitution method and elimination methods are there. And quadratic equation, completing square method not there. These are the till now 4 chapters completed. These are the completed ones. Shahida and now joining Shahida. Okay. Understand Amma, these 4 chapters, what are the deleted subtopics? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
HCF by equal division Amma, that is not there. Divisions not there in polynomials. In linear equation, two variables. That cross multiplication method not there. Other two methods are there. Substitution method, elimination method is there. Word problems as it is. Graph as it is. Graphical representation as it is. And in quadratic equation, completing square method not there. Quadratic formula is there. Factorization is there. Easy only. Okay. Like the difficult part they removed. Till now, the 4 chapters, those are the deleted syllabus. Okay. So with that, we have completed successfully the 4 chapters. Tomorrow can you start arithmetic progression, AP. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means if we take any series, either it is increasing or decreasing with a fixed difference Amma. Suppose if I take numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 I took. For 2, if I add 2 only, I get 4. If I take 4, if I add 2 only, I get 6. Like that, with fixed difference, if it is increasing order or the series is in decreasing order, then the numbers are in arithmetic progression. Progression means increasing. The numbers are in increasing order. Suppose if we take odd numbers, first number is 1, next number is 3, next number is 5, next number is 7. The difference between two numbers is, it is a fixed difference. It is 2 only. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Like that, the series either in increasing order or in decreasing order, then the series, the numbers are in arithmetic progression. Progression means increasing. It is in increasing or decreasing, no problem. But it should be in a fixed difference. Otherwise, suppose 4, 9, 7, 19, 27, like that there means the difference is not increasing only, but difference is not same. That's why those numbers are not in arithmetic progression. The increase or decrease of numbers in a fixed difference, then the series or the numbers pattern in arithmetic progression. Either the series may be increasing order, may be decreasing order. If it is in increasing order, the fixed difference is be positive. If it is in decreasing order, the fixed difference is negative. If it is increasing order, the fixed difference is positive. If it is in a decreasing order, the fixed difference is negative. Okay. Okay, that's why we can start the series either in increasing order or in decreasing order. The decrease or increase with fixed difference, then the series is in arithmetic progression. Increasing in fixed difference, then only the series in the arithmetic progression. If it is not fixed difference, we cannot say the numbers are not in arithmetic progression. Okay, like that. Anyone can use an example, one more example for IP, some examples in that way with a fixed increasing or decreasing order.
2 table.
2 table, simply 2 table. Yes, 3 table also I can say. I can say 5 table. Yes, 5, 10, 15. I can say 6 table, 6, 12, 18. Like that. If you can't take tables, otherwise any numbers also can take. I can take 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 26 plus 7, 33. Like that, if you increase the order will be in that way, in increasing order or in decreasing order also. That series in arithmetic progression, we have less than 1 minute time. Okay, tomorrow we can give them more introduction about arithmetic progression. Okay. Attend the classes seriously. Nearly 1 month or 2 months, this process, maybe August they are telling or they're telling September. Seriously, you should feel this online class only for you this year. Maximum half of the part with the online class only will run, I think. Already 4 months we told, 2 more months means 6 months we told in online classes only. Remaining we have only 3 months will be left. That's why be serious. You tell your inform to your friends also. Join the class sincerely. Sincerely attend the classes. All the subjects. All the subjects. Maths is hard. That's why I will explain means if you follow only you can remember. Other subjects you can read